division with decimals, where the divisor has a decimal and the dividend doesn't. The problem we're going to look at here is how many 1.6s are there in 4. Now, we've learnt in previous lessons that the best thing to do is to get rid of the decimal in the divisor. So what do we do when the dividend doesn't have a decimal? The answer to that is we add a 0 to the dividend. So instead of 1.6s into 4, we now have 16, we got rid of the decimal point, into 40. We added a 0 to the 4. What we've actually done is multiplied both divisor and dividend by 10. Now let's start dividing. How many 16s are in 40? Well, 1 16 is 16. Double that makes 32. If I add another 16, I'll be over 40. So I know that 2 16s are in 40, with a few leftovers. So I write down the 32 because 2 16s are 32, and then I need to subtract. 40 minus 32 is 8. Now that could be our answer, 2, remainder 8. And in previous years that would have been fine, but now we want to be a bit more accurate with our answer. So we're going to add some decimal places. To do that, we can just change our dividend to be 40.0. Let's do that. So we add the 0.0. We drop the 0 down, so now we've got how many 16s are in 80. Count by 16s, 16, 32, 3 16s are 48, 4 16s are 64, 5 16s are exactly 80. So we add our decimal point to the answer, 2.5, because 5 16s were 80. Put the 80 down underneath the other 80. We work out we've got no remainder, so our answer is exactly 2.5. That goes for how many 16s in 40, and it's also how many 1.6s are there in 4. The answer is 2.5.